You can also easily resample out tracks inside of Audacity. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to go around and select a very high range of sampling right here on the project rate, and I'm going to record a sample audio. So this is a sample audio recording that I have. I'm just going to stop this and play this out, and let's hear out how this sounds right now. So this is a sample audio recording that I have. You can hear out that the quality is quite high right here because I selected the highest sampling quality right here, but it has not really recorded out that high of a sampling rate because my hardware does not support it. But anyways, it is stored out in this high quality range. If you want to resample it out for some reason, then you can easily do so by going into the track option right here. And here you can see resample is an option. Once you click on resample, what happens is that you can go around and select out the sample rate that you want to work around with. So I'm going to go around with 8000 Hz right here, and I'm going to press OK. And it resampled. You can see that the audio wave has been changed. So if I were to press the play button now, so this is a sample audio recording that I have. So you can hear out that the high frequency ranges has been removed right there. So this is downsample to 8000 Hz. You cannot upsample it again and expect it to have higher quality. You can downsample, you cannot increase the sample level and expect a high quality right here. So I'm just going to go around right here onto resample. You want to go beyond like that, let's say below 8000 right here again. You can also go around, type in your own value, press OK, and then it gets downsampled right here. So you'll hear there's a huge loss in audio quality right here once I play this around. So this is a sample audio recording that I have. And that is what you hear when I really downsample that out. So that is how you can resample out the track inside of Audacity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.